How to check tax refund status on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. Once you receive confirmation that your federal return has been accepted, you'll be able to start tracking your refund at the IRS Where's My Refund site. So for this, go ahead and click on this link. Now, you can use this tool to check your refund. Your refund status will appear around 24 hours after you file a current year return, 3 or 4 days after you e-file a prior year return, or 4 weeks after you file a paper return. All you need is your social security or individual taxpayer ID number, your filing status, and the exact refund amount on the return. Then you can click on Check Your Refund option. Now, in the status, if you find received, it means the IRS has your return and is processing it. If you find approved, it means your refund has been approved and will be sent soon. If it is sent, your refund will be issued. If it is still being processed, it means that your refund is being reviewed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.